How Amazon become richest company in the world. Amazon is type of e-commerce company. It is an intermediate company in between buyers and sellers. This company selects a product which is lowest price in the world. Also, this company sells that product where the demand is required. Here, the company doesn't hire any sellers. The sellers are come forward to sell their product in this site. The company collects some percentage of money while selling the product. People think this company gives rewards, offers etc. No, it is false. Those are given by only sellers, not by company. Now this company sells everything what peoples want to buy. Here everyone can buy and sell a product. Along with that, this company collects and delivers the product from and to their doorstep. This is how Amazon becomes richest company in the world.